Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be solving a really cool exponential equation where we have 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of x minus 3. And of course, we want to solve for x values. So let's go ahead and do that. To do that, first of all, we need to move this to the left-hand side and move this to the right-hand side. So we're going to have 3 equals 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x minus 1. Now notice that 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of negative 1. Now since 3 to the power of negative 1 is 1/3, this equals 3 to the x divided by 3. Therefore, our equation is going to be 3 equals 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x divided by 3. And now it is obvious that I can go ahead and factor out this 3 to the power of x. So once I do that, I'm going to have 3 equals 3 to the power of x times the quantity 1 minus 1/3. 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3. Therefore, we have 3 equals 3 to the x times 2/3. Now, to isolate this 3 to the power of x, we need to get rid of this 2/3. So we need to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this number, which is 3/2. So by doing that, I'm going to have 9/2 equals 3 to the power of x. Great. So what we want to solve is 3 to the power of x equals 9/2. So in order to solve this for x, let's go ahead and take the log of both sides and take the log of both sides with base 3. So we're going to have log of 3 to the power of x with base 3 equals log of 9/2 with base 3. Next, let's go ahead and use the properties of logarithm. So for the left-hand side, I'm going to use the power rule. So we're going to have x times log 3 with base 3. And for the right-hand side, since we have the log of a quotient, let's go ahead and use the quotient rule and turn this log into a difference of 2 logs. So we're going to have log of 9 with base 3 minus log of 2 with base 3. Great. Next, let's go ahead and simplify this. So notice that this is 1, log 3 with base 3 is 1, and log 9 with base 3 is just the same thing as log 3 squared with base 3, which is equal to 2 times log 3 with base 3. And again, log 3 with base 3 is 1, therefore we have 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is equal to 2. Therefore, we have x equals 2 minus log 2 with base 3. Great. Now, if you happen to use a calculator, you can see that this is approximately equal to 1.37. So x is approximately equal to 1.37. Great. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed watching this, click like and subscribe. I'll see you later.